don't be afraid to use AI to get one of your jobs in Upwork completed and completed properly. These AI powered LLMs are powerful. They can help you out. So what I did was I copied all this text. Okay, so this is a job. Okay, so let's see. WordPress expert needed for site transfer from DIVI to Elementor Pro. So let's go to Google Gemini and see exactly what their solution is to this problem that this client is having. All right, so let's see what their response is. This sounds like an excellent project, as migrating from Divi to Elementor Pro is a common move for those seeking more feature-rich and often faster site building experience. Here's an outline of the project scope and considerations for hiring an expert based on your deliverables. So just goes through everything. So the thing is, you need to use AI for a lot of these jobs to kind of get you, so you can kind of get an idea of like what you're going to have to do, what the steps you're going to have to take to complete the job. But don't hesitate to use AI. It's there to help you as a developer, as a freelance web developer, and there's just all sorts of good stuff in here. Hiring next steps. Let's see what they say. The migration process from one major page builder, Divi, to another is generally a manual rebuilding process, not a simple one-click switch. Okay, so the code structure from Divi shortcodes are incompatible with Elementor. Once again, you have to know about shortcodes, WordPress shortcodes, and how those work. Okay, so let's see. Meaning every page, post, header, and footer will need to be recreated within the Elementor interface. Okay, so yes, you gotta. So there you go. There's your answer. Ensure all site functionalities are maintained. Optimize site for performance and design. So okay, so okay, yeah. So this is not just a few simple clicks and you're finished. So yeah, this, once again, you have to know your stuff. You got to understand PHP. You have to understand how themes work, plugins, all the core files, how they work with each other, the loop. There's a lot to learn. But WordPress, once you get down to basics, get down to fundamentals, you're good to go. But yeah, the WordPress loop, understanding how the WordPress loop works. Oh yeah, filters and hooks, uh, action and filter hooks. You got to know how those work. But yeah, that's a pretty cool job to get if you can get it. Pretty much a simple fix.